Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add payment method on Shopify. First of all, you can open the Shopify application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can see your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it, and after tapping on it, you can now go to the settings at very last, that is bottom left corner of the screen. After tapping on this, you can just simply scroll down, and here you can now tap on payments in the store settings. After tapping on this, the page is loading, and here you can see the second option, that is supported payment methods. So you can now tap on add payment method. After this, you can just simply search by payment method or search by provider, and after this you can just simply add the details of your payment method, and it is the way you can add payment method on Shopify. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.